Today we're going to be going over the HID Global Laundry Tag. This is a great tag for specific purposes. In the live event industry, oftentimes we need to track draperies, tablecloths, costumes, things that are flexible and also need to be put in and laundered every so often. And this tag serves all those purposes. It is flexible, so it doesn't have to be put on flat, hard surfaces. It can also be put through a laundry machine or be put through fire retardant process. It houses the antenna and the tag inside this fabric, and they have a couple different versions. One that has an area where you can sew directly across it to attach it with a sewing machine. You also have one that can be ironed onto and adhered to the fabric, and another that just is meant to be sewn into a pocket. These are a great functionality. Talk to HID Global and they'll help you get tags for this. These are also included in our RFID proof of concept package, so you can test them with a certain amount of product back at your warehouses.